Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Today, in practical session, we are going to start our next experiment, experiment number 7. Title of this experiment, screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, title of this experiment to interpret it from the graph by observing the effect of adrenaline on heart rate and force of contraction on isolated heart of frog by using CD of MSBT. From experiment number 7 to remaining experiment, we are studied on the basis of or by using CD of MSBT. Before that, intro of this experiment, in which adrenaline, which acts as sympathomimetic agent, their effect of this drug on isolated herd of frog is observed in this experiment. Theory of this experiment. Proposition first, in which drug may influence the rate and force of contraction of heart, means adrenaline हा drug influence करतो on rate and force of contraction of the heart. An increase in heart rate is known as positive chronotropic effect, while an increase in heart rate is known as positive chronotropic effect, while decrease in heart rate is known as negative chronotropic effect. Similarly, increasing force of contraction is known as positive inotropic, and decrease in force of contraction is known as negative chronotropic. That is, in this proposition, firstly, drug which influence on the rate of heart and also force of contraction of heart. Rate of contraction is known as chronotropic, while force of contraction is known as inotropic. If there is increase in heart rate, is known as positive chronotropic. If is increase in force of contraction, is known as positive inotropic effect. Same as if there is decrease in heart rate, is known as negative chronotropic, and decrease in force of contraction is known as negative inotropic effect. Then mechanism of action. In which sympathomimetic amines. Sympathomimetics are also known as adrenergic agent. Sympathomimetic amines such as adrenaline, noradrenaline produce positive chronotropic and positive inotropic effect by acting on adrenergic receptor. Means this sympathomimetic amine, that is adrenaline and non-adrenaline, they produces positive chronotropic, means increased heart rate, and positive inotropic means increased force of contraction by acting on adrenergic receptor, that is B1 receptor, beta receptor, which is present in the heart, versus parasympathomimetics such as acetylcholine produce negative chronotropic and negative inotropic effect by acting on muscarinic receptor, which is present in heart. It means there are different types of receptor: alpha receptor, beta, muscarinic receptor, nicotinic receptor, in which when adrenergic drug act, their action on the adrenergic receptor, that is beta receptor, and for cholinergic, that is parasympathomimetic agent, which having action on muscarinic receptor, where sympathomimetic agent means adrenaline, they produces positive chronotropic effect and also positive inotropic effect, while parasympathomimetic shows negative chronotropic and negative inotropic effect. What is positive chronotropic effect?
Drugs may influence the rate and force of contraction the heart and increase the heart rate is called as positive chronotropic effect?
Chronotropic effect means related to heart rate, and inotropic it means force of contraction of heart. That is, positive chronotropic means increased heart rate, while positive inotropic means increased force of contraction. All of you understand chronotropic and inotropic?
Yes, ma'am.
Chrono means heart rate and inotropic means related to force of contraction. If there is increase, that is positive. If there is decrease, that is negative effect. Either it is chronotropic or inotropic. Then next, action potential. A phenomenon of continuous varying potential difference across the cell membrane. Cell membrane across varying in the potential difference, means changing in the potential difference. This phenomenon is known as action potential. And the cardiac cells means heart cells having long action potential and which is divided into 4 phases, in which first one depolarization, then first one depolarization, then second partial repolarization, plateau repolarization, and forward current. It is fourth phase, in which repolarization and depolarization, it is important and you have to know related to mechanism of action of drug. In depolarization, sodium ion channels open. Then in repolarization, inactivation of sodium ion, that is opening of sodium ion in sodium ion channels open in depolarization. Then calcium ion open in plateau. Partial repolarization, in which inactivation of sodium channel. Then repolarization, calcium ion channel get closed and potassium ion channel open. And last one, forward current, in which increase the depolarization due to increase the sodium permeability. That is, depolarization means sodium ion channel opens, therefore increase the permeability of sodium ion. This is introductory part of this experiment, in which you have to remember what is chronotropic and what is inotropic. And sympathomimetic agent used in this experiment is adrenaline. Adrenaline's action on the isolated frog muscle, that action or their effect is studied under this experiment. We see procedure of this experiment through by using CD of MSBT. Up to this, do you understand what is chronotropic and inotropic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
in which our experiment is to interpret it from the graph by observing the effect of adrenaline on heart rate and force of contraction of isolated heart of frog by using this CD of MSBT.
Aim of this experiment is to study the effect of adrenaline on frog's heart.
This aim of this experiment to study the effect of adrenaline on frog's heart. That is isolated heart of frog, on which effect of sympathomimetic drug, that is adrenaline, on how to show its effect on heart rate and force of contraction. It is studied under this experiment.
Objectives of this experiment are to record and understand mechanical activity of heart, to understand chronotropic and inotropic effects, to understand mechanism of action of adrenaline on heart, to understand the terms tachycardia and bradycardia.
These are the objective of this experiment, in which first one, to understand and record the mechanical activity of heart. Then second, understand chronotropic and inotropic effect. That is, chronotropic means heart rate and inotropic it is force of contraction of drug. Either it is positive or negative. Then mechanism of action of adrenaline on heart. And last one, to understand the term tachycardia and bradycardia. What do you mean by tachycardia?
Increase heart rate.
Increase and bradycardia.
Decrease heart rate.
Then next, requirement of this experiment. Animal frog physiological solution, frog ringer solution, PSS. Then drug adrenaline stock solution. Instrument Sherrington's rotating drum, Starling heart lever, modified Sims venous cannula, perfusion bottle and tube, dissecting trace, surgical instrument and disposable insulin syringe. 10 microgram per ml. Dose of this adrenaline stock solution or quantity of adrenaline stock solution. Then theory behind this experiment,
And noradrenaline act as neurotransmitters
in which
at sympathetic
adrenaline
sites and in some areas of brain. Adrenaline, like sympathomimetics, increase heart rate by activating SA node or pacemaker. Aim of this experiment is to study the effect of adrenaline on frog's heart.
screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Aim of this experiment is to study the effect of adrenaline on frog's heart.
For 2 minutes.
Aim of this experiment is to study the effect of adrenaline on frog's heart.
व्हिडिओचं साऊंड येतंय तुम्हाला?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So aim of this experiment to study the effect of adrenaline on frog's heart.
Objectives of this experiment are to record and understand mechanical
These are the
activity of
objective
heart,
of experiment.
to understand chronotropic and inotropic effects, to understand mechanical
Then requirements.
adrenaline and noradrenaline act as neurotransmitters at sympathetic sites and in some areas of brain. Adrenaline, like sympathomimetics, increase heart rate by activating SA node or pacemaker.
This is theory behind the experiment, that is adrenaline and noradrenaline. Both sympathomimetic agents act on neurotransmitter at the sympathetic nerve or sympathetic site and in some area of brain. Adrenaline, like sympathomimetic, that is sympathomimetic category under जे drugs येतात, they increases the heart rate by activating SA node or pacemaker. You can see SA node in this diagram. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
That is adrenaline shows increased heart rate. Here in normal. Increased heart rate. When graph is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Adrenaline act on this SA node or pacemaker and increases the heart rate. When normal, increased heart rate is, so if we are given adrenaline, then also increased heart rate.
Both adrenaline and noradrenaline also activate latent pacemakers, that is AV node, Purkinje's fibers. Force of cardiac contraction is also increased due to adrenaline. Adrenaline acts on both alpha and beta adrenoreceptors. Heart is innervated by beta adrenoreceptor, to which adrenaline interacts and influences change in permeability for calcium ions and sodium ions. This change in permeability leads to excitatory effect on heart muscle and increase in rate and force of contraction of heart.
In which both adrenaline and noradrenaline sympathomimetic agents, they activate the latent pacemakers, that is AV node and Purkinje fibers. Firstly, they activate the SA node. Then force of contraction is also increased due to adrenaline. That is, adrenaline show positive inotropic effect. Adrenaline act on adrenoreceptor. There are two types of the receptor where adrenaline act, alpha and beta adrenoreceptor. In this diagram, all of you, ही diagram तुम्ही draw करून घेताय. Sound is audible to all?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
This
screenshot.
diagram is not available in our manual.
Ma'am, screenshot मारू का?
Okay. You have to draw this diagram in your report of
Yes,
this
ma'am.
experiment. So in this diagram, here theory behind this experiment, that is what is action of adrenaline or sympathomimetic agent. It's shown adrenaline act on alpha and beta adrenoreceptor. Heart is inverted by beta receptor, means heartची action alpha and beta receptor मध्ये adrenaline shows their action on beta receptor, beta adrenoreceptor, and where they interact and influence change in permeability of calcium and sodium ions. The change in permeability leads to excitatory effect. When there is excitatory effect, there is increase in heart rate and increase in force of contraction. If inhibitory effect, it means decrease. So there is change in permeability of this ion. sodium and calcium ion. Therefore, it shows excitatory effect on the heart muscle, increases the heart rate and force of contraction of the heart. In which these are the potassium ions here. Particular symbol दिलाय right? Is it visible to all? Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In yellow color, these are the potassium ions. Then these are calcium and sodium. In normally, here potassium ion present and also in some proportion sodium ion here in extracellular fluid. It is extracellular fluid. And this one here intracellular fluid. In extracellular fluid, there is sodium and calcium ion. And in intracellular fluid, potassium and in some proportion, there is sodium ion present. When adrenaline is injected, then this calcium and sodium ion enters. It is visible in after injector. दिसतंय सगळ्यांना? They get enter into this channel and from extracellular fluid to intracellular fluid येतात, right? Inject ADR, that is adrenaline inject केल्यावर जो effect आहे, ही diagram, all of you see this diagram. When we inject adrenaline, then there is opening of this channel and entry of calcium and sodium ion inside the cell, that is in the intracellular fluid. It is intracellular fluid and this one is extracellular fluid. All of you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Experiment समजते सगळ्यांना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in normal, here we see theory behind the experiment. Adrenaline, in which in this diagram, firstly there is extracellular fluid. Then it is intracellular fluid. Here calcium and sodium ions. When adrenaline injector, then this entry of this ion into this channel and they goes into the intracellular fluid. Therefore, that is change the permeability of ion and it shows excitatory effect. Means intracellular effect excitatory hoto. And there is increase in the heart rate and increase in force of contraction of heart. That is adrenaline shows after the injection of adrenaline or administration of adrenaline, it changes the permeability of the sodium and calcium ion. They enters into intracellular fluid and they show positive inotropic and positive chronotropic effect. All of you understand theory behind this experiment?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. All of you means all students.
Yes,
Only
ma'am.
1 to 2
Yes,
students.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 70.
Yes, madam.
Do you understand theory behind this experiment?
Yes, madam.
Okay. The next part, procedure.
For studying the effect of
It is
adrenaline
rectals,
on frogs' heart,
isolated heart
Perfuse
of frog, which is
isolated
used
and
to show
mounted frog's
effect
heart with frog ringer
of
solution.
adrenaline on it.
Now start the drum and record normal contraction. For studying the effect of adrenaline on frog's heart, perfuse isolated and mounted frog's heart with frog ringer solution. Now start the drum and record normal contractions of heart on smoked paper for 1 minute. In these tracings, the number of peaks per minute indicates
Normal activity of frog hearts means before the administration of adrenaline. The activity of frog's heart is here, this one graph.
rate of contraction of heart, whereas height of a single peak indicates force of contraction. You can see that all the peaks in the tracings are of same height and at same distance. This means contractions are rhythmic and with normal tone. Stop the drum, inject 0.1 ml of adrenaline solution in the cannula. Start the
You have to draw this graph. Normal activity of frog heart, force of contraction versus heart rate and here time, both are same, means in the peak. After the administration of adrenaline,
you can see that of same height and at same distance. This means contractions are rhythmic and with normal tone. Stop the drum, inject 0.1 ml of adrenaline solution in the cannula. Start the drum immediately and record the response of heart on the smoked paper for 1 minute. You can see that the rate of contraction and force of contraction of heart increases due to adrenaline.
after the administration of adrenaline, heart rate increased or decreased?
Increase.
Increasing.
Increase.
47, 49, 50. What happened after the administration of adrenaline? Heart rate increase or decrease?
Increase.
Encourages. Increase.
So after the administration or injection of the adrenaline, heart rate get increased and also force of contraction get increased.
Also observe rhythmicity and tone of contraction. Repeat the same procedure by injecting 0. For studying the effect of adrenaline, also observe rhythmicity and tone of contraction. Repeat the same procedure by injecting 0.2, 0.3 and 0.4 ml of adrenaline. Allow a time gap of 5 minutes between two successive doses to wear off the effect of earlier dose. From these observations, we can see
Means after the interval of 5 minutes, if we are given adrenaline in 0.1 ml, 0.2, 0.3 or 0.4 to this isolated heart of frog, then there is increased heart rate is observed with increased force of contraction. That is, adrenaline shows positive inotropic, means increased force of contraction, and chronotropic means positive chronotropic means increased heart rate. Therefore, tone in which observation table this one also increased. You have to draw this observation table in your today's report of this experiment.
The effect of earlier dose. From these observations, we can say that adrenaline has positive chronotropic and positive inotropic effect on heart. Thus, adrenergic drugs find application in bradycardia and as cardiac stimulants.
This is all about procedure and conclusion or interpreting result of our experiment, that is adrenaline has positive chronotropic and positive inotropic effect, that is increased heart rate. What do you mean by bradycardia?
Decrease heart rate.
Decreased heart rate. If there is decreased heart rate, if any patient having this condition, then adrenaline act as sympathomimetic agent by increasing the heart rate. Bradycardia, जर heart rate कमी असेल, in that patient adrenaline act as sympathomimetic agent and which help to increase the heart rate, and also it acts as cardiac stimulant, means to stimulate the cardiac action. This is observation table. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If dose of drug given 1 ml, then heart rate is increased, also force of contraction increased. Graph is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Response of isolated heart of frog. This is response when injecting the 1 ml of adrenaline, 0.1 ml of adrenaline. Normal adrenaline दिल्यानंतर there is increased heart rate and force of contraction. When given dose 0.2 ml, what happened?
Increase heart rate.
Increase heart
Then 0.3 ml,
increase.
increased heart rate and increased force of contraction. 0.4 ml,
Increase
what
heart rate
happened?
Increase the heart rate and force
Increase
of
heart rate.
contraction increase.
Force of contraction and heart rate get increased after the interval of some time. Injecting the adrenaline 0.1 ml, 0.2 ml, 0.3 ml and 0.4 ml, there is increased heart rate and increased force of contraction observed.
You have learnt that adrenaline stimulates heart
What
functioning
you
by
have to
increasing
learn,
its rate
adrenaline
and force of
stimulates
contraction.
heart functioning by
Adrenaline acts
increasing
as
the
cardiac stimulant.
rate and force of contraction. Increasing the heart rate is known as
Tachycardia.
Tachycardia.
and another term in this experiment. What we learn?
Positive chronotropic.
Bradycardia.
Chronotropic.
Chronotropic.
Tachycardia, it is related to our theoretical part, but in this experiment we learn new concept, that is chronotropic and inotropic. What is chronotropic? It is right, it is similar to tachycardia, but actual increasing the heart rate in this experiment is known as chronotropic effect. Tachycardia, another meaning. Positive inotropic and positive chronotropic effect given by adrenaline. What do you mean by chronotropic effect? You learned in theory of this experiment.
Increase
chronotropic,
heart rate.
Increase heart rate.
Increase
and
heart
force
rate.
of contraction.
Decrease
Force
heart
of
rate.
contraction is termed as
Inotropy effect.
Inotropy.
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 Heart rate, it is not termed as positive. Positive कधी if there is increase in heart rate. Increase झाला तर positive. Only heart rate. Another term is chronotropic, and for force of contraction is also known as inotropic. Adrenaline acts as cardiac stimulant, and it is also used in treatment of bradycardia. If there is decrease in heart rate, then adrenaline acts by increasing the heart rate. That is, it shows positive chronotropic effect.
Aim of this experiment is to study the effect
Here we complete experiment number 7. To interpret from the graph by observing the effect of adrenaline on heart rate and force of contraction of isolated heart of frog by using this MSBT CD. What do you understand about this experiment?
Adrenaline dose increase heart rate.
Graph. Do you
to
understand
study
graph
the
of this
effect of
experiment?
acetylcholine
This, when 0.1 ml given, then heart rate is increased or decreased?
Decrease.
Increased.